Hey there, friends. I hope you're having a great day so far. I'm having a pretty good day. I am choosing to be productive today, no matter what gets in my way, no matter how I feel. I'm going to get stuff done, including unboxing the Walmart Fall Beauty subscription box. This month, or this season, because this is a seasonal box, they gave you the option to upgrade to a bigger subscription box. Generally, the boxes are, I think, $7.98, and this time it was $12.98. So I'm curious to see, why it's so special, what the upgrade's all about. I do have a special guest with us today, Miss Rose. So we'll see how that goes. And if you're interested in seeing what's inside the upgraded Walmart subscription box, then keep on watching because I'm opening it right now. All right, so I didn't bring any scissors. I'm just gonna rip it open. I looked up the email that they sent me about it, asking if I wanted to upgrade, and it mentioned that with the upgraded box, you would get a special 10 and 7 items. So here is the little tin. How cute. Little ASMR action. I do like the colors. It's very pretty. And she's pretty hefty. So I guess my cheek is itching. I guess let's just open her up and see what's going on. I don't want to see all the items. So I'm going to pick one out, close the box, and then we'll do it that way. So the first thing I got was this product by Lancer. It says the Method Polish. Okay, so I guess it's like a skin polish, like maybe like an exfoliator. Let's see what the consistency is. Yeah, so it's like a gritty cleanser, like a really good exfoliator. It has very little particles in there. It kind of feels like sand, to be honest. So I think this would be pretty gentle exfoliator for your face. So, okay. All right, so let's see what this is. Okay, so next product is a Super Bounce Mask, Glow and Plump. So I'm assuming this is a facial mask by Sand and Sky. Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. So let's see what it feels like. Okay. It doesn't really have a scent, and it feels nice. So I guess you get a little face mask by Sand and Sky. Okay. All right. Let's see. Here's a big bottle, so let's see what that is. Oh, okay. So it looks like you get a full size The Crown Scalp Scrub by Adam Reed. A healthy scalp is the key to unlocking healthier locks. This incredible scrub mixes a blend of oils, fruit enzymes, menthol to awaken your scalp, and caffeine to help encourage optimal scalp health. So I've been curious about scalp scrubs. I've never used one before, so I am excited to give this a try. I'm sure that this right here is more than the price of the whole subscription box. All right, what is next? Okay, I feel another little tube. Lots of little tubes in this box. Okay, I had a temporary issue. So this is by the brand Beauty Space, and let's give it a whirl. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that smells really pretty. I was expecting it to smell more like rose. But I smell, I think, more of the jasmine. Oh, it smells really nice, actually. So it's not a very thick consistency, more like a lotion, I think, more than I would like consider this to be a cream. But it is really nice, and it seems to be pretty hydrating. Yeah, my hands could definitely use some lotion. I will throw this little guy in my purse. All right, so next, all right, another tube. Oh, okay. So Golden Fatten MD in the house. This is a very expensive brand. I really enjoyed using. I had the full size of the like deep line eraser. I can't remember what it's called. Um, like the no more needle serum. I really enjoyed that. But this is the Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. Says it's a creamy facial moisturizer that will make skin appear firmer. I just ate some trail mix, and so I feel like I have like pieces of peanuts and stuff all in my mouth. So this overnight creamy facial moisturizer will make skin appear firmer and feel stronger, leaving skin supple, smooth, and hydrated. So, okay. I'm sure there's some value to this little tube. Okay, so where are we at? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think there's supposed to be 2 more products in here. Card. All right, so we got this little packet. This is a little sample packet of a facial in a jar face cream by Miami Beach Bum. I've never heard of this brand, but it says that it provides hydration that minimizes pores, fine lines, and blemishes for all skin types with aloe, lemongrass, and squalene. So you get to try out this brand with this little face cream. So that's interesting. And then I did feel one more little sample thing, actually 2 more little sample things. Okay, yeah, these are the last 2 products. So I guess you get an extra little sample in here. We get a face mask by Pathology, Just Let It Glow, Healthy Glow Sheet Mask, pear fruit, sea berry extract, and niacinamide. So, okay. Says lack of sleep, poor diet, stress, and general crappiness starting to show off on your face or show on your face. Oh gosh. It's supposed to make your skin luminous. Niacinamide helps to even out your complexion and makes light shoot out of your pores. Makes light shoot out of your pores? Oh, okay. Not really, but your skin will look pretty luminous, which is almost as good. Okay. I was like, wait, what? You know, the fancy photo filter with the sparkles, that's your skin now. So, okay. We will see if light shoots from my pores and my face looks like the photo filter with sparkles after I use this. I'll let you know. And last but not least, we have By Terry Brightening CC Serum. So, okay. Now this looks like it's tinted, so we shall see if that's going to work. It's in the color Sunny Flash. So if it's that color, I don't know if it's going to work for me, but I guess they have to put maybe like the middle of the what's that, the tones, you know, like from light to deepest. What's that called? I don't know. But I guess they just chose to kind of put the color that's in the middle and put it in there. We shall see. I guess I could open it now. What's the point? I'm like, oh, I don't want to waste it, but let's see what color it is. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So this is the color that it comes with, which again, I understand. I think this is probably, you know, the middle of the range, maybe. And so that's why they chose it. But I feel like this is maybe just like the sample that they throw in there because I'm pretty sure you only get 7 7 items, but it feels really, really nice, actually. I was wondering if maybe, I mean, maybe I could use this like the dewdrops and put it on before I do my foundation because it's actually settling in really nicely and looking and feeling really pretty on the back of my hand. I'm pretty sure that this brand is pretty expensive. Um, and that looks so pretty, doesn't it? Check that out. Okay, well, I am kind of impressed. I'm going to play around with this to see if I can use it, even though it seems to be a little bit too dark, but this seems really, really nice. All right, so that concludes the items that I got in the Walmart Beauty subscription box. Considering that, I mean, I guess all of them are samples, but these things are really hard to reuse. You know, you open it up once, you have to put it in like a Ziploc bag or something to keep it from drying out. I know that these are also samples too, but I wish that, you know, they didn't give out these kind of samples in the subscription boxes, but you know, it's not that much money, though. $12.98 seems much more than $7.98. So, or was it $6.98? I don't know. I'll put the information on the screen for you. But that's what you got. A bunch of skincare, kind of, I guess, kind of some makeup in there, a sheet mask, and a tin. This is probably, now I am excited about this. So I feel like, and in previous Walmart subscription boxes, there's usually like one product that you get your money's worth. It's usually a full size product, and then you'll have, you know, a bunch of samples for the rest of your items. So I'm curious about this. I'm definitely on a hair journey. I recently dyed my hair, if you hadn't noticed. I hadn't dyed my hair in over 10 years. It was kind of an emotional experience. And I'm trying to make it more healthy, you know, grow it out and do something with it because I cut my hair somewhat recently and it's not for me. You know what I'm saying? It's not for me. I keep getting messages on my phone. I'm so sorry. But I'll let you know how this is. Maybe do a little demo of it. And yeah, that seems to be it. So what do you think about this subscription box? I think this is probably my least favorite. The messages keep coming in. I'm so popular. Um, I think this is probably my least favorite of all the boxes, and sadly, it's the most expensive. But I'm going to give all these things a try. I'll let you know what I think. And if you found any value to this video or any entertainment, or just want to be really awesome, I would greatly appreciate it if you would hit that. Where's the dog? Oh, she's over here in the window. Okay. I would greatly appreciate it, or me and Rose would greatly appreciate it. Rose, come here. Come here, Rose. Come here. Oh, I woke her up. I'm awful. Can you say hi? Look, Rose. Look, look, there you are. Me and Rose would greatly appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, we would love it if you would join this little YouTube family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and that way YouTube will let you know whenever we post a new video. I'm at the point in my video where I do say a prayer for anyone who's interested. If you're not interested in that, it is totally fine. But before you go, I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I'll put some videos down in the video's description if you want to check them out after this one. And I hope to hang out with you real soon in my next video. If you are staying for the prayer, I just want to let you know real quick that you are more than welcome to send me any prayer requests that you may have. My Instagram handle and my email address are always down in the video's description, and I'll be more than happy to pray for you in the privacy of my own home. I'd never put your information on my channel or pray for you on my channel, but right now I'm just going to say a prayer for anyone who's interested. So if you would like to pray with me, boop, 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 boop. Oh, Rose. God, thank you so much. You are so, so good to us, God. Even when we can't see what's going on, when we can't see what's even in front of our face, God, you are always working in the background. And we just need that little bit of faith, God. And I know that miracles can happen in our lives. So I lift up my viewer to you right now, God. Whatever they may be going through, Lord, whether it be financial issues, health issues, issues with their children's or families or friends, God, you know the need, Lord. And I just place them into your mighty hand because there's nothing in this life that is too big, too difficult for you. And so I just pray that your will be done in our lives this week, that you give us the courage and the faith and the wisdom on just what to do this week um, and how to go about it, God. I pray that you keep us safe and healthy and happy and blessed until we meet again. And in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, so thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you real soon in my next video. Bye!